Assalamu alaikum guys. Today our topic is geometrical optics and subtopic is refraction of light. Earlier we have done refraction of light through glass slab and now we are going to do refraction of light through prism. SLO of this topic is demonstrate the passage of light through a glass prism. You have a practical activity also of this SLO. We will do afterwards. We already have done refraction of light and we know the definition of the refraction of light. Now we are review it. Refraction is the bending of light when it goes from one medium to another. So when a ray of light passes through a glass prism, refraction of light occurs, both when it enters the prism as well as when it leaves the prism. That means in case of glass prism, there are two times we see the refraction of light. When the ray enters the prism and when the ray leaves the prism. You see the diagram of the prism. This is a prism, glass prism. The angle A is called angle of prism. You see, where is angle A? This one. A glass prism is a triangular prism. In this prism, each angle of it is of 60 degree. This angle is of 60 degree. This angle is also of 60 degree. And this angle is also of 60 degree. This angle is called angle A and it is of 60 degree, angle of prism. If this side is called base of the prism. Angle of prism is always opposite to the base of the prism. This incident beam or incident ray. When incident ray touches the glass prism surface, it enters and refracts inside the prism. This ray is called incident ray and this ray is called refracted ray. After refraction, this ray comes out from the glass prism in this direction and now this ray is called emergent ray. Emergent ray, incident ray, and this is refracted ray. Alright. This line, you see this dotted line, this is the perpendicular line to the surface of the prism. This is the one side of the prism or surface of the prism and this line makes the 90 degree. This angle is of 90 degree. This line makes the 90 degree to the surface of the prism and this line is called normal or perpendicular line to the prism. It is represented by n dash. There is another normal. You see this normal. This is also the line perpendicular to the prism and it makes the angle of 90 degree. The angle between this normal and this incident ray is called angle of incidence and it is represented by small I. I is equals to angle of incidence. What is angle of incidence? The angle between incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence. When this normal passes through this point of incidence, the angle between this refracted ray and normal is called angle of refraction. Refraction because this line is bending inside the prism. When it comes out from the prism, it again makes an angle with the normal And now this angle is called angle of emergence. Emergent ray makes the angle of emergence with the normal. Incident ray makes angle of incidence with the normal. And refracted ray makes an angle of refraction with the normal. Now when we proceed the lines, this incident line forward like this, we show this extended line with dots. This dotted line shows the extended incident ray. And if we proceed or extend this emergent ray backward direction in this way, where these two ray lines intersect or meet each other, this angle is formed, and this angle is called angle of deviation and represented by capital D. Now this is the path of ray of light through glass prism. Once again, incident ray, refracted ray, emergent ray, angle of incidence, angle of refraction, angle of emergence, and this is angle of deviation. Another look of this ray of path of light is this. PQ is the incident ray. This is angle I. The normal makes an angle of 90 degree with this side. This is angle of refraction. Alright, this line is refracted ray. This line again refracted out and makes an angle of emergence with the normal, and this angle is angle of deviation. Learn all these definitions and path of ray of light. Thank you.